Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get OG Marvel Mythics. These legendary items offer incredible power and unique abilities, giving you a significant edge in any match. We will explore the primary methods for finding and securing these highly sought-after weapons and tools, helping you dominate the battlefield with superhero strength. During a match, the most common way to get Marvel Mythics is by confronting and defeating powerful Marvel bosses. These formidable foes guard their signature weapons at distinct points of interest across the map. Additionally, keep an eye out for special Avengers chests, which often contain these rare items. Sometimes, you might even find them as valuable ground loot in Marvel-themed zones. Beyond standard matches, Creative Mode offers unique opportunities to experience Marvel Mythics. Many player-created islands feature these items, allowing you to practice and have fun. Keep an eye on in-game announcements for special events or challenges that might reward you with Marvel-themed gear. Occasionally, exclusive bundles featuring these items may also appear in the item shop. To maximize your chances of acquiring these legendary items, always prioritize landing at locations known for Marvel activity. Team up with your friends to tackle tough bosses, as cooperation makes these encounters much easier. Finally, stay updated with game news and announcements. New opportunities to get Marvel Mythics are often introduced with updates and special events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.